Hi everyone, I'm Wanita Buni. I'm student of Cendrawasih University Achievement. On this occasion, I will speak about unemployment opportunity to society to reduce unemployment and create economic growth in Indonesia. Ladies and gentlemen, we have been know that number unemployment in Indonesia is still not decreasing. Based on Central Statistic Agency (BPS) records, total unemployment in Indonesia reached 7.86 million people as of August 2023, or equivalent to the open unemployment rate (TPT) of 5.32% of the total 147.71 workforce. Meanwhile, for the province, IDS number unemployment occupied by Banten at 7.52%, then followed by West Java at 7.44%, Riau Island 6.80%, Jakarta 6.53%, and Maluku 6.31%. Look in the mirror from matter that I think government must do enhancement growth sustainable economy. In this context, the government need take step strategy like increasing possible investment, create employment, both domestic nor foreign. Investment is the main motor in fast growth economy. With interest investment, we can open and improving job opportunity, productivity, country's economy. Apart from that, the government is also paying attention sector that have potential growth economy, like industry, manufacturing, agriculture, technology, and tourism. This can create diversification, a strong economy, which is more resistant to fluctuation global economy. Then also support from government to private business, micro, small and medium, MSME, and entrepreneurship also need to be prioritized because MSME are source potential significant employment opportunity. For example, by giving access to financing, training, and guidance to businessmen smart. That matter can help they develop and create more employment opportunity cry on. Relate job opportunity for the region rural areas. It's also important for the government to follow up on considering excessive urbanization of the racial pressure on cities big. Temporary opportunity in rural areas sometimes abandoned. So it's important past sector agribusiness and modern agriculture and rural areas can create employment, reducing excessive urbanization and increasing resilience food. Use with effort together from government sector and private sector and society, and you can create environment where every citizen have access to decent employment and contribute to growth sustainable economy. This is fulfilling SDGs point number 8. I think there is a necessary step government take it to go Vision Indonesia goal, namely Advance Indonesia, Powerful Indonesia, and Sustainable Indonesia. Terribly from I, greatest inspiration for Indonesia. Thank you.